Imagine putting together a great meal and everywhere looks amazing. The table is set, the aroma fills the air. You can tell that this is going to be a delicious meal. But you forgot one thing. You did not call anyone to come and eat it. You did not tell them how to buy the food. You didn't tell them how to order it. Or you didn't even show them the process of making this delicious masterpiece. That is exactly what you do when you put out content, communications, or campaigns without putting a call to action. And that brings me to my one marketing thing for today: call to actions, or CTA. Personally, I have seen call to action work wonders in the revenue generation process. Lately, I've been using what I title trigger words. They are just simple prompts that you put in your communication that helps your audience know the next step to take. I've seen how it has helped with moving passive viewers of your content to active conversion conversations. That follows first sharing a valuable content. Then I had my trigger words. It could be either at the mid-end or at the end of the content. And after that, I ensure that those trigger words lead into my funnel. And my funnel is where I'm able to begin the relationship, the conversations that actually lead to revenue for the organization or value for the audience. Don't just serve your delicious meals and leave them untouched. Get the right people to come, enjoy, taste, order, have some takeaways from your meals. And with that way, you are able to, get an exchange of value. You give value and you also get value in return. So that's my one marketing thing for today. Always add a CTA.